The wolf is with the butcher. Terrorist cells in the city will hide them. Bravo will clear house to house in search. My people will help you. If they try to escape to the mountains, there is only one road. Tariq al-Maut, the highway of death. The Russians bombed it during the invasion, killing the people trying to escape. There is a village at the crossroads. I sent Hadir and his fighters there to prepare an ambush. Alex and I will join them and take up firing positions above the road, lying in wait for the wolf. The highway is below us. Hadir has reinforcements in position to ambush the wolf.
We're easy prey for the Russians out here.
Yes, our window is short. Barkov's men will be on the hunt. He has lost control. We will come to take it back. Is it home? Let's move. We have to cut the wolf off at the pass. Before the war, this village had families and laughter.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Tell me a joke.
What happens when the CIA goes to sleep?
What?
They go undercover.
Not bad.
Probably better in English.
You told it in English. Kalian Arab.
Hadir, معلم.
Hadir took the high ground for us. My father called Hadir Shabal, his little lion.
What happened to him?
He died, fighting.
قوات القتلة الخاصة أدمين سيدتي.
خبرنا شو بصير. Alex, this way. Hadir is waiting for us. I told him to bring everything he's got.
Alex, check this out. 338 Lapua, armor piercing at 600 meters. I put it together myself. Please, use it.
Solid heater.
Protect her with your life. She will do the same for you.
Thanks, Hadir.
Perfect for this distance. I'll spot for you, Alex.
We are brothers now. Make me proud, Alex.
Look through your scope. Let's get you dialed in. Look for the glinting light near the highway.
Got it.
Ali, التقي بالباقيين.
حاضر معلمتي.
Stay with him and you'll see my team near the road.
Yep, I see him.
They'll support us when we attack the Al-Qatala convoy. Aya, هتلنا حدا في جنب الباص.
تكرمي بنت العم.
انتو اخواني. Vertical notches adjust for distance. Each one is 200 meters.
سر جاهز.
هتموا تفجير. The target is 400 meters away. Aim 2 notches above it.
2 notches, got it.
The wind will push your shots off target. Use the flags for direction. Shoot against the wind.
Done.
Now fire. Hit!
She speaks to you, Alex.
My brother, your biggest fan. Let's try another target at a different range. There's a blue house in the distance. Can you see it?
Visual on the blue house.
There's fruit on the icebox. Range 600 meters. Fire when you're ready. Hit!
تسويبك ممتاز.
I heard that.
Yahayowen. Pay attention, boys. You should be dialed in now. Remember, use the environment to your advantage. Flags for wind direction, landmarks for distance.
Understood.
Good. Now, watch the highway for activity. They won't be long now.
Nothing but the wind.
I got something. By that moving oil pump.
Just some strays.
Keep scanning the road. The wolf will be here soon.
مركبي وحدة جاية من الشرق.
ماشي. لا تهاجموا. They spotted the vehicle. Right side. Could be the wolf or his men.
Looks like we finally got some company.
They're scouts for the wolf. Hold your fire. Wait for a clean shot. علي شايفون شي؟
عم يعرف شو السطح.
Eyes on the roof, Alex. 2 on the roof.
Yep, I see him.
400 meters. Good hit. One more. Nice shot. 2 of the wolf scouts gone. Ali, yalla الروح. Hadir is resourceful. He has them setting a trap for the wolf's men.
Alex, cover the team rigging the truck.
Killing the wolf doesn't guarantee us the stolen gas.
True. What happens if you don't find it?
I have to.
المتفجرات صارت جاهزة. بنت العم.
ماشي. انتظروا الإشارة. The wolf's men will have to move the truck to pass through. Wait until they're close, then detonate it.
بنت العم، شايف موكب جاي من الشرق.
مفهوم. ديروا بالكم على حالكم. The wolf soldiers are here, Alex. Right side of the highway.
3 Alcatala vehicles.
I see. Check fire. Let them get in range.
لازم اهجم؟
لا. خليهم يقربوا أكتر. Closer. Go on. Don't be shy. They see it. They're moving to the truck. Hadir,
I see them.
get ready, Alex. Detonate the truck, Alex. Hashumu! Open fire! They're to the right of the bus. Good hit! Good kill, Alex. Hit! Check the windows! Hit! They're left of the bus! AQ on the bus! Good hit! The wolf sent reinforcements! Hadir, pull your team back!
We shouldn't back up.
Do it!
Ali, fall back! Get out of there!
Shoot the engines! Stop them! It's down! Enemies! Knock!
Here they come! out!
Look for the muzzle flash when they fire!
Eyes on. You're down.
Alex, there is another Al-Qatala mortar team. Take them out!
My sights. Clear. You're down.
Negative. There's still a mortar out there.
On him. Where's it clear?
Suicide truck! Left side! Left side! Stop that truck, Alex! Hit the truck! Hit the truck now! Hit it again! Aim for the driver!
Shoot it, Alex! Shoot it! It's getting too close!
Close call. Good shooting, Alex.
The wolf must be coming, or they wouldn't send these forces to clear the way.
Start planting IEDs, brother. Hadir and I will reinforce the perimeter, Alex. Get to the east bunker and resupply for the wolf.
More explosives, Hadir?
Never too much. Same as before. Enemies get close, detonate them. Watch your distance.
Alex, Captain Price is calling on the radio. He says it's urgent.
This.
Echo 3-1 for actual.
Alex, the wolf fled the city. He's headed your way.
Sniper!
The Russians are right behind him.
Get down!
Troops in contact, actual.
Stay low! Don't let him see you!
Copy. On our way.
Stay covered!
On him.
Those shots came from the highway!
Got it.
Good kill, Alex.
Al-Qatala is regrouping across the highway.
This could be him! That's 600 meters, Alex. Hit them! Russian MiGs!
Barkov's army will be here soon. Sister, smoke! White smoke on the left! Alex, find a way to stop them! Keep it up, Alex!
Good hit!
Keep it up, Alex!
Give me cover! Get to my truck, Alex! My truck is full of explosives! It's time to use them! Open the tailgate quickly! I'll cover us!
Russian gas?
Yes! And now we send it back to the Russians! The gas masks are in the bunker! Come quickly! Hadir! What is this? There's something on that. What? The gas! If they can use it, so can we! Go, sister, inside!
Get off of me! How could you do this?
We had no choice, Mara. All bets are off now.
No, not like this.
Sister. Alex. Listen to me. I stole the gas from the Russians. To help us, only to help us. Tell Farah. Tell her, Alex.